Good day and welcome back to Hidden Source News, where we break down the biggest shows without spoiling the twists that make them special. As always, please don't forget to hit subscribe button to help us grow and keep providing more and more content. Today, we're taking a closer look at episodes 5 and 6 of Welcome to Derry. Two chapters that continue elevating the tension while delivering some of the strongest character work of the season. Episode 5 leans heavily into emotional storytelling as the young cast confronts the growing darkness in their town. Instead of rushing toward big reveals, the episode carefully builds atmosphere through quiet moments, unusual behavior in the people of Derry, and eerie hints that something sinister is tightening its grip. What truly stands out is how grounded the narrative feels, even as the fear in the air becomes impossible to ignore. A major strength of Episode 5 is how it deepens the personal struggles among the group. We see the children's determination to save their missing friends, and even though they are afraid, they still muster the courage to embark on that mission. Viewers get more insight into the characters' home lives, their vulnerabilities, and the emotional weight they carry. These scenes help connect the audience to them more than ever, giving each moment of fear and uncertainty far more impact. The writing lets the characters breathe, and that makes the creeping dread even more effective. So, visually, Episode 5 continues the series' trend of using subtle horror rather than non-stop scares. That being said, we begin to see more of the it creature manifestations when the soldiers embark on their mission and the results of this encounter with the it creature. It's all those background details, flickers of movement, and strange noises that build tension until you're honestly just as uneasy as the characters themselves. But once the creatures manifest, then the party begins. This episode really shows the series' confidence. It doesn't need to show too much because, well, the anticipation is just as terrifying as it begins to unravel. Episode 6 shifts gears, moving from emotional build-up to more overt supernatural tension. We follow the characters as they deal with the aftermath of the previous episode. It raises the stakes without giving away the season's biggest secrets. The atmosphere becomes thicker, the visuals more distorted, we get to see more of the origins of it, and the sense of danger is definitely more direct as some of the characters deal with the guilt of the events of the previous episode. It really feels like the world of Derry is waking up, and it's not waking gently. The pacing tightens, creating this constant low-level anxiety that just never fully lets up. The adult characters take on a bigger role in Episode 6, offering new layers to Derry's history. Their reactions, their fears, and, the things they choose not to say, all hint at a larger truth that the series is slowly unveiling. As these moments add depth to the story and really reinforce the idea that the past is never truly gone in this town, it just waits for the right moment to return. One standout accomplishment in Episode 6 is how the show balances mystery with clarity. You get enough answers to feel progression, but not enough to spoil the inevitable turning point coming later in the season. The show gives viewers breadcrumbs, symbols, and unsettling moments that clearly connect to larger forces, building anticipation for what's next. Both episodes work together to strengthen the series' emotional core. The bond between the characters grows more important as the stakes rise, and the fear becomes something they face not just individually, but collectively. These chapters show how courage, doubt, and trust all play major roles in shaping their journey through a town that seems determined to swallow its secrets. Technically, Episodes 5 and 6 deliver some of the best sound design and cinematography so far. Every creak, whisper, shadow, and sudden shift in lighting contributes to the uneasy charm of Derry. The production team continues to blend nostalgia with horror, creating a world that feels familiar but deeply unsettling, and that duality gives the show its identity. In the end, Episodes 5 and 6 serve as the perfect middle point chapters, deepening the characters, expanding the mystery, and intensifying the stakes without revealing the major moments the season is still saving. They keep the tension fresh, the emotional arcs strong, and the viewer hooked from beginning to end. If the rest of the season continues at this momentum, Welcome to Derry is shaping up to be one of the standout horror series of the year. I give these 2 episodes 8 out of 10. I'm really enjoying this series. Thank you for tuning in to Hidden Source News. If you enjoy our non-spoiler reviews and coverage of your favorite series, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to help us continue bringing you the stories others overlook.